The Quick Reports add-in creates reports on various Outlook folder views with a couple of mouse clicks. Generate a report for the current folder by simply clicking the button on the Outlook ribbon. Specify the name and location of the resulting report file. And immediately open it in Microsoft Excel, if you want. The add-in supports all Outlook folders, mail, contacts, calendar, tasks, and more. If the report lacks the required field, just add it to Outlook View. And build the report by clicking the button on the ReliefJet ribbon. Create the views you need and use them as report templates. For example, let's select only high importance tasks. By setting the appropriate filter. Now just click the Quick Reports button and get the result in Excel. ReliefJet Quick Reports is just one of the programs included in the ReliefJet Quicks bundle from Microsoft Outlook. This set of add-ins saves you valuable time every day by providing easy-to-use tools to improve your productivity.